Good morning everyone. I am Abhishek Kumar from BSCIT batch 2 third year student. Today my PPT is types of SQL command. So there are 4 types of SQL command. First is DDL, second is DML, third is DCL and fourth is DQL. First is data definition language. In data definition language there are 4 types of commands are here. First is create, alter, drop and truncate. And second is data manipulation language, that is 3 types of command are here: insert, update and delete. And third is DCL, that is data control language. In this data control there are grant and revoke are under. And fourth is data query language, that is select. So let's first DDL command, that is data definition language. It is used to define and modify the data in database, and also it describes the schema and sub schema. And all the commands of DDL are auto committed, means it's all permanently save all the changes in database. And sub DDL commands are create, alter, drop and truncate. Create used to create a new database in a database object in a table, and alter, that is used to modify existing object in a existing object. And third is drop, used to delete the object from database. And fourth is truncate, that is remove all data from a table. And second is DML, that is data manipulation language. It is used to manipulate the data in database objects, and it facilitates of relationship between the objects. And some commands of some DML commands are, that is insert, update and delete. Insert, used to insert a new data records in a table. And second is update, used to modify the existing data in a database table. And third, and delete, and it is used to delete or remove the records from a table. Third is DCL, that is data control language. It is used to control the data access in a database, and also it facilitates to give a permission controls. And some DCL commands are grant and revoke. Grant means it is used to assign permission to the users to access the database objects, and revoke means it is deny the permissions to user to access database objects. Fourth is DQL, that is data query language. It is used to fetch and query the data from a database tables, and also it is used to data retrievals. And selects, that is DQL command selects, and it is used to retrieve the data from one or more tables. And here we can use where, group by, order by with select. It is also used in DQL. So thank you. Any question? Any question? Yes.
What is the uses of truncate command?
The uses of truncate command is that it is direct permanently delete from a table.
What, content or table?
Direct table.
No, here truncate command is going to remove only records. It keeps the table structure intact with the database. Clear? So this is the use of truncate. However, drop command is going to drop the table from your database list. Anybody else?
What is the difference between grant and revoke keyword?
Grant, that is grant, it is used to assign the permission to the users, and revoke is it deny the permission to the users to access the database.
I think he has given the right answer to you. So this was a confident presentation, and the question asked by you, actually it has not been discussed in the class, right? So this was not discussed at all. I have not discussed the drop and truncate. Clear? So that is why he may have not given the right answer to you. So I have explained in advance. So in the future course of classes, you will come to know about each and every statements, right? Only you people are aware of only select statement so far. Okay, really it was a very nice and effective presentation to all. Thank you very much.